What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Aditya Prajapati. Have you ever felt discouraged by hate comments while learning English? Have ever people laughed at you while you are just trying to speak in front of them? I know how it feels, but let me tell you, the hate comments cannot stop you to learn this language until you let them. The hate comments cannot stop you, guys. The hate comments I also used to face. I can relate to your journey. When I started learning this language, I used to speak in front of public, in front of the friends. They used to make fun of me. They used to say very bad comments. I will say the worst comments I have ever faced in my life. I used to face while learning this language, so I can relate to you. There were so many guys जो मेरा मजाक उड़ाना स्टार्ट कर देते थे और बहुत बुरी तरीके से रिएक्ट करते थे, तो मैं उन्हें जवाब दे देता था इन स्टार्टिंग. But I did not stop learning this language. I did not stop. So guys, you are going to be motivated by watching this video. So watch this video till the end. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. I will tell you everything. How can you win the hate comments? How can you pass? How can you go through the hate comments even then you are facing badly comments in your life, but you cannot let them stop you. And guys, I will tell you how can you let them go, how can you let the bad comments go. And guys, watch this video. If you come from village areas, if you come from very humble backgrounds, Hindi medium background, so you must have to watch this video, because I also come from very humble background, village areas, Hindi medium background. Even then I learned this language. So only because of this reason, I am just advising you, I am just giving you the very good steps so that you guys can learn this language, so that you guys can speak very good English. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Guys, firstly I want to tell you my experience with hate comments. How was my experience? What types of comments, what type of hate comments I used to face as a beginner. So let me tell you, one day I was just I used to practice in English. I used to take some challenges that I only have to speak in English language today. So I used to talk with anyone. I used to start talking in English language, but they don't understand. But I used to talk with them. So one day I went to a shop. There is a shop in front of my house, and that shopkeeper was very horrific for me. Even today he is very horrific. We cannot change the people. We cannot change the people mentality, but we can change ourselves. So एक दिन गया, I went to that shop. He started making fun of me. He started commenting badly. I will say very worse, in worse manner. In worse manner, he started commenting on me. He did not make fun of my English language, but he started discouraging me. He started discouraging me कि ज़्यादा सबके सामने इंग्लिश मत झाड़ा कर, इंग्लिश ज़्यादा वो तोप न बना कर, इंग्लिश में ज्यादा बात करता है. इस तरीके से उसने बहुत ज्यादा मतलब झाड़ दिया. फिर आई सेड कि यदि आपकी लड़कियों की देयर आर टू डॉटर्स, मतलब उनकी दो बच्चियां हैं. एंड आई सेड दैट इफ योर डॉटर विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ पब्लिक, if your daughter will want to learn this language, if your daughter will try to find a favorable environment where she can go and talk with anyone, you will stop her. You will stop her. मैंने उनसे पूछा कि यदि आपकी लड़कियां, आपकी बच्चियां कहीं अगर एनवायरमेंट को सर्च कर रही होती और उन्हें एनवायरमेंट न मिलता और उन्हें इंग्लिश लर्न करना ही करना है और वो किसी के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रही होती, तो क्या आप उनको रोकते? आप उनका इसी तरीके से मजाक उड़ाते? आई सेड ओनली दिस. But I did not stop my learning journey. और one of my friends, एक दिन मैं ऐसे इंग्लिश में लिख ही रहा था. We were just, हम चंदा मांग रहे थे for नवरात्रि. मैं जस्ट इंग्लिश में लिख रहा था. मुझे इंग्लिश अच्छी लगती थी उस समय. मैंने बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. मैं हर एक चीज इंग्लिश में ही लिख रहा था. तो मैंने इंग्लिश में लिखा और वो मतलब वो फालतू में झगड़ने लगा मुझसे कि इंग्लिश ज्यादा ना, अंग्रेज ना बन, हिंदी में लिख ले. इस टाइप से कमेंट्स मिले. So these types of hate comments I started facing as a beginner. When I was beginner, I used to face these types of very bad comments, guys. I can relate to you. So guys, hate comments cannot stop me. Hate comments, if the hate comments cannot stop me, how can it stop you? How can these bad comments can stop you? So guys, इन कमेंट्स को ये सारे कमेंट्स आते रहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना है, दे विल से, यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप, यू कैन नॉट चेंज दी पीपल्स मेंटालिटी. बट टुडे आई एम स्पीकिंग वेरी वेल. आई लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम स्पीकिंग वेरी वेल. अब मुझे प्रैक्टिस करने की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है विद देम. I am practicing by myself. I am just speaking in front of my mobile phone camera. I can talk with anyone. तो I am speaking very well. अब वो लोग मजाक नहीं उड़ाते हैं. They are just proud. They are just proud of me. Guys, सच में बोल रहा हूँ. जो मेरा फ्रेंड था मजाक उड़ा रहा, वो मुझसे पूछ रहा था कि हाउ डिड यू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज, प्लीज लेट मी नो द स्टेप्स दैट आई हैव टू फॉलो फॉर लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज. वही मित्र जो मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहा था, उसने मुझसे ये पूछा. तो गाइस, हेट कमेंट्स कैन नॉट स्टॉप यू टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. गाइस, व्हाई पीपल हेट, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ, द रियलिटी. व्हाई पीपल हेट, लोग नफरत क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट थिंकिंग इट विल बी द इनसिक्योरिटी फॉर देम. Because we are learning new things, we are just getting intelligent day by day. We are just learning new things, new languages. We are just upgrading to ourselves. So हम learn कर रहे हैं, हम upgrade कर रहे हैं अपने आप को. But वो लोग तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. उनके लिए हम intelligent हो रहे हैं उनके सामने. So they are just feeling some kinds of insecurities. This is the reality. This is the reality. This is the truth. I have told you. तो guys, आपको stop नहीं करना. You just have to show them. You just have to show them who are just saying you can never learn this language. Who are just saying you cannot learn this language. You just have to show them this is what I have done by myself. I am capable to do anything. I am capable enough to do anything. I am capable enough to win anything. Only one thing is required, that is we just have to change our mentality. We just have to change our mindset. Mindset will give you will make you the winner, guys. तो इस तरीके से हेट कमेंट्स आते हैं, इस वजह से लोग कमेंट करते हैं. समझ गए ना? आपको उनसे लड़ना नहीं. यू डोंट हैव टू फाइट विद देम. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइट विद देम. आपको बस लर्न करते जाना. ऑटोमेटिकली दे विल बी इरिटेटेड. दे विल बी थिंकिंग वेरी बैड, वेरी छोटा सा तुच्छ सा महसूस करेंगे वो. आप बस लर्न करते जाइए. उनसे लड़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. डोंट नीड टू टॉक विद देम. उनसे बात करना ही बंद कर दीजिए. जो आपसे नफरत करता है, आप उनसे बात ही ना करिए. यू डोंट हैव टू टॉक विद देम. Stop talking. Okay? And guys, lastly, I want to give you a challenge. My challenge for you is, guys, if from today you just have to practice in English language, you just have to practice come what may. By all means, if anyone is making fun of you, if there are the guys who are just commenting in a very bad manner, worstly they are just commenting, don't worry, you don't have to give up. Instead giving up, you just have to work harder. You just have to give extra time for learning this language so that you can show them. And just show them who used to say that you can never learn this language, you can never learn this language, you cannot speak good English. You cannot learn. जो आपको डिस्करेज्ड कर रहे थे, जो आपको बहुत ही घटिया कमेंट्स दे रहे थे, आपको उनको शो करना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू शो देम, बट यू डोंट हैव टू फाइट विद देम. फाइटिंग नहीं करते हैं होशियार लोग, बस अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करते हैं. और इम्प्रूव करते करते एक समय ऐसा आता है, दे ऑलरेडी विल फील तुच्छ. वो अपने खुद में ही तुच्छ महसूस करते हैं. Was it helpful or not? Was it the motivational or not? If it was the motivational, so please comment in a good manner. Please comment on my video. How am I making videos? On what topic do I have to make videos? If if it was not helpful for you, it was bakwas or bad video, so please comment badly. कमेंट कर देना बकवास है, क्या बकवास कर रहा है ये, इस तरीके से कमेंट कर सकते हो. सो प्लीज बट कमेंट करिए, ओके. And please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and like kar dena, and share to all your friends who are very very close to you so that they can also watch my videos. Have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. I will be making these types of very encouraging videos for you, inspiring videos for you. Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. Bye bye.